Yo, it's your boy DC. This is not a savage video. This video is very serious. This is for my dads out there, because I'm giving you guys information. Okay, you guys here in Georgia, if you had a kid and you're not married, the law does not view you as having legal rights to your child. And the only way you can do that in Georgia is to either marry the mother or you go through the superior courts and file a legitimization, of your child to have legal rights to him. Okay, some of y'all may be wondering, okay, so what's the big deal? I see my kid and everything. For those of you guys that has difficult cases, as in, maybe mother not seeing your child, you need this because you're not gonna be able to get any type of visitations or whatsoever without being considered the legal father. And for some reason, although you put that name on that birth certificate, it's been established you're the father, and you sign, let's say you sign the acknowledgement of paternity or whatever, they still look at you as let me see if I'm saying this right, the punitive father. Well, yes, you can still be obligated for child support and things of that nature, but as far as having legal rights to your child, that's a no-go. And I know this is probably gonna bring up another question to some of you guys. Well, Savage, I don't have that problem. I can see my kid, pick my kid up or whatever. That's great, but at the same time, your child is not legal, and this serves two purposes. Your child can legally inherit from you because you're the rightful father. But let's say, God forbid, anything happens to either one of you. Let's say, especially the mother, for example. Guess what? By you not being legal in the rights of Georgia, they can just bypass you altogether, whatever. Say, you'll get passed up. Your child may go to somebody else, another relative, or whatever the case may be. You're not considered having legal rights to that child. Let's say if something was happening, I'm letting you know out there to all my caring dads out there, it's real. This is something, it sucks, which is gonna bring me into the next part of this video. It sucks. It's something you have to do to get legalized, and you got to come, you got to come out of pocket or whatever. And I'm gonna touch on that too. But now that we've established how important it is to having legal rights to your child, you guys inherit from each other. Let's talk about getting this done. Now, before if y'all never heard of this before, that's great. You're hearing it from me, my experience. But a lot of you guys, you already kind of know this route, but upon let's say researching this or trying to go about it, what you get first thing to pop up is all these attorneys. So guess what? Their retainer fees is all $5,000, $3,000, whatever, $2,500, the lowest I've seen one. Now, this still may be a viable option. Like I said, if you got a difficult case, then that might be your best bet, because you're going to get eat up in the courts anyway. Which brings me to the next point. Now, you don't have to pay all that. The most you can probably pay out, the most you're going to end up paying out is, let's say, we're going to say close to $300 just to get your son legalized. I know, that shit sucks, don't it? But hey, it's a small price for just having legal rights to him. Now that's said and done, this is where the fucked up shit about our courts You come into there, let's say your relationship with the child and mother is great. Y'all handled everything outside of this. Now, it's a double-edged sword. Like I say, all this is new to me. When you go in there, the only thing I say, I just want to be recognized as legal. The legal father, in the eyes of the law. When you go in there, guess what? You already getting villainized. Okay, it's fine. You want to, legalize your son, but guess what? Guess what they looking at, y'all? Okay, well, we see right now there's not no child support. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna send the offer. Basically, they got to send the summons to the mother or whatever, and she can go from there how she wants to do it or whatever. As far as the case, they already put a number or something out there. She can dispute it, whatever. But if y'all working it out anyway, hell, you already taking care of your child. But I'm just saying this, it just fucked up the damn legal system. Even if you got the best intentions, you have the best, let's say you and the mother have the best relationship as far as your child, but get him legal out of wedlock, this slave ass state of Georgia we in, they still looking at you like, okay, pretty much where's the money? We need to be getting paid. So, Dash, I'm just here to let y'all know this little bit of information that I find out for myself. All right, y'all, man. This your boy, man. I'm out of here. That's all I have to say on the matter. Thanks.